Hello everyone, my name is Victoria Schnorr and I am your student's history teacher this year. I teach both World History 1, which is generally a freshman class, but it can be for any student that is freshman to senior. And I also teach World History 2, which is the second half of World History. I am in my 7th year here at West Springfield High School and I'm very excited to work with your students this year. And I'm excited to show them my love of history and explore that this year with them. So, a couple things about me. I grew up in Indiana and I moved out here right after college. I went to Indiana University, so go Hoosiers. And again, this is my 7th year here and I started my teaching career at West Springfield, so it truly is my home and I'm so excited to be here again. I am really looking forward to working with your students all year, and I'm really looking forward to meeting you and working with you as well so we can work as a team to get through World History 1 and World History 2. So I'm very excited for this. In the folder in Schoology that you're currently in, the Back to School Night folder, I've also included a PowerPoint presentation that has all the information that I presented at Back to School Night, so you're not missing anything there. Biggest information for me though, as far as contact, email me. It's veschnorr@fcps.edu. That is in the PowerPoint that's just below here in that folder. And that's the easiest way to contact me if you do have any issues, comments, concerns moving forward this year. Again, I'm very excited to be working with you, working with your student, and I'm really looking forward to a fantastic year. Thanks.